Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get all the latest information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk the specifications here, review about Lenovo's ThinkPad T4 10 out here. Yes, a very amazing variant out here. We can say that this was a early release model out here, and ThinkPad was one of the most popular series out there. Yes, there has been a lot of series in Lenovo. If we talk about IdeaPad out there, or if we talk about Lenovo, the ThinkPad out here, yeah, Yoga series, Ultrabook out there are so many series out here. So talking about ThinkPad, we are going to talk about this particular series, particular gadget, that is T410. Talking about this variant, then we can say the design of this variant is quite good out there, as well as we can say the design is really nice. Along with that, if we talk about T410 out here, then we can say the inbuilt system inbuilt used it out there, that is Think Light out there, is like Intel V Pro technology. Yes, it is using Intel's V Pro technology out here, which is very good. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that it has got a most trustworthy or most trusted brand by Lenovo, that is in the security chip system, which Lenovo has always trusted out. Apart from that, if we talk about the processing system, if we talk about processing out there, then we can say that the processing is nothing else but Intel Core i5 out here, which is giving about a speed of 2.53 gigahertz. So overall, it's quite good. Yes, having a speed of 2.53 gigahertz and with Intel Core i5, that's really good. Apart from that, if we talk about the core system in this, then it is a dual core system process along with a cache speed of L3, 3 MB out there. So overall, it's a good variant, a good version we can say. But yes, apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that it has got, yes, Windows system out there along with 64 bytes storage out there. Yes, the window type is 64 bytes out there. Talking about the chipset or the chip system, mobile Intel out there, it is using a chipset of mobile Intel. Yes, earlier model है, थोड़ा heavy देखने में है. It looks like heavy model out है. So it uses a chip system which was earlier used by Lenovo series out there, that was mobile Intel out there. And when we talk about this Intel system, then we can say that it is QM57 Express out here, which is really good. Apart from that, there are few specifications, few features related to this also. Features like having a hyper thread technology out there, yes, hyper threading technology, Intel Turbo Boost technology inbuilt in it, integrated memory control out here. So these are the things which you will get to see in this variant. So we can say yes, this variant is quite good out here. When we talk about this variant, we can say that the internal storage capacity also plays an important role in every category. And when we talk about the internal storage capacity, then we can say that the storage or the intersurface out there is serial ATA out there, which is of 300. Yes, serial ATA 300 is there with optical drive removable out there. It has got optical drive also, so we get to know that these kind of variants are quite important nowadays. Yes, earlier we have seen these kind of variants also, but nowadays we really need to have these kind of versions because removable things are quite popular and quite important right now. Talking about the RAM quality, then we can say that it has got a installed RAM of 2 GB. Yes, 2 GB is the installed RAM inbuilt in it. Along with that, you get to have a memory speed of 1066 megahertz out there. Yes, that is 1066 megahertz. So you get to have this kind of a version also. Along with that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that memory card specification, if we talk about this kind of a specification, you get to have PC3 8500 out there. This is one of the version which we get to see, not get to see in this time, but yes, earlier it was very good and a very important version back then. Whereas the technology used is DDR3 only. Yes, you get to have the same, the type is DDR3 only. Apart from that, if we talk about the variant, then we can say that you get to have a expandability. Yes, expandability could be seen out here. The expandability is of approximately 8 GB. Yes, you get to have 8 GB expandability. But that does not mean that internal storage is bad. Yes, 2 GB is good out here. As well as you get to have a slotations out there. There are two slotations you will get to see. Along with that, you get to have LED backlift technology. Is the display? If we talk about the display, then it has got LED backlift display with a wide screen of about a good screen size with anti-glance, and you also get to see that this variant is offering you a resolution aspect of 16 is to 10. Yes, this is the resolution it is offering you, 16 is to 10, but that does not mean the resolution is going to affect the screen size. Yes, the screen size is being affected. Now you get to have a screen size of 35.8 centimeters. So this screen size is quite good out here. Resolution is really nice. Everything works very well out there. But yes, when we talk about this variant, then we can say the graphics processor is quite good. Yes, you get to see PCI Express into 16 graphical processor, which is a very good processor, along with the stereo type speakers and microphone inbuilt in it. Digital microphone is inbuilt in it, so you get to have a very good microphone. Along with that, you get to see that there is a hard drive storage also, SSD storage, which we say, or the hard drive storage, which is a 128 GB around. Yes, that is 128 GB. Along with that, the keyboard out here has got a multi-touch pad for the mouse control. You get to have a track point, ultra nav keyboards out there, keys out there, along with the good connectivity of Wi-Fi, wireless control out there, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, microphone connectivities. Every connectivity is quite good. Apart from that, if we talk about the CPU out there, then we already know Intel Core i5 is being used, which is really good, which can be later on upgradable. Yes, there are modems which can be upgraded in this version. Along with that, you get to have a USB attachment point, or we can say the card points out there, where you can attach your memory cards out there, your USB out there, your jack system out there, your power buttons. These all can be done. Apart from that, you get to have 9 cell out there, which offers you approximately 8 to 9 hours work timing. Yes, you get to have 8 to 9 hours work timing on the system. When we talk about the system, then we can say that there are various sites which offers you different pricing for different gadgets, and one site offers you great pricing. So let us visit the site also. This is the site I'm talking about, and the site name is justatclick.com. Yes, the site name is justatclick.com, and here you get to have your favorite gadgets under your pocketable rates and your favorite, you can say, gadgets in a very low pricing, or we can say best price in the market. So let us check out this gadget first. So this is the result we get for our search, and when we talk about this result, then you get to have a Lenovo's bag is also free with this gadget. Yes, Lenovo's T410 with bag free out there. Apart from that, we can see that there is a small description box offering you a great range of specifications out there. Apart from that, if we talk about the condition of this variant, because condition also plays an important role, there's a condition written refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition first. Talking about refurbished products, or talking about the refurbished word, we can say that refurbished and brand new products are quite same, are quite similar out here. We can say that. Refurbished products की बात करें, if we talk about the word refurbished, then we can say that refurbished word is an something related to brand new. Yes, we can say that refurbished product word means that creating something newly like. And now when we talk about refurbished and brand new, then we can say that they are actually same in the structurality, in the functionalities. They are actually same in the testimoniality also. Overall, they are quite same. Only the difference lies out in the pathway it is being obtained. Yes, if we talk about the brand new products, then they are actually first launch, whereas refurbished gadgets are pre-owned gadgets. They are pre-owned gadgets actually. So let us look at the pathway first. Talking about the pathway, then there's a common pathway followed for every gadget, that is base, mediator, and the consumers. Whereas the brand new follows this pathway in this format, like company is the base out here from where the gadget is being originated. Then it comes to the marketplace, where which is usually the bridge between the company and the user. Then comes the consumer, which are the users. We as the users are the consumers out here. Now talking about this pathway, what does this pathway means? मतलब company पहले product लाती है market में, then the user buys it. This is what brand new is all about. Now this brand new product is being used with the user, is being the user now. It is pre-owned gadget. Now what happens, that user wants to sell this product. So what happens is this user does nothing but sells it off. We can say gives it back to the marketplace, wants to resell it. This pre-owned gadget is resold out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant, this user, is now the base for the refurbished gadgets. Yes, this is the base for the refurbished gadget, because now the product is being used from this user. It comes to the marketplace, then it goes for the testing and everything, and comes to the user. So this is what happens out. Now what is the main thing happening out here? The main thing is the company test first before launching it in the market. Matlab, any gadget, every gadget is being first tested out, then it is brought back in the market, brought to the market. But what happens, the refurbished product, user sells it off and the marketplace tests it. जो भी side को लेती है, whichever place it is having it, it tests it and then it is resold. Now let us talk about the tests which are included in this, because offering you same structure, everything needs to be same. Talking about the tests, we can say that there are actually the same parameters, same tests included out there. Like if we talk about laptops, if we talk about these gadgets, then we can say that there are tests which are including the external and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, they are like you get to check out the gadget, like the external factors, or whether the display is working properly or not, keyboards, key buttons out there, if it is a mouse control working or not, scratches, webcam is there or not, the jack points out there are working properly or not, even the jack points are there or not, even the buttons are properly placed at the proper order or not. Everything need to be checked externally. Like if there is any scratch out there, what kind of scratch is this, whether it can be restored or not. So these kind of things has to be checked. Once the external parameters are checked out, then it goes to the internal parameters. Talking about the internal parameters, we can say that the internal parameters are not different, but the internal elements which are included in the CPU, in the chip system, RAM quality out there, storage capacities out there, the connectivities, the microphones, speakers. If the jack system is there, then what is the jack system working properly or not? Audio input jacks are working or not? The webcam is working or not? The resolution out there, the display it is used, the Windows it is using, operating system, every single factor has to be checked. Now, the external factors could be checked through normal eyes, normal equipments out there, but the internal factors need to be checked and verified with specialized equipment, specialized devices out there. The softwares they are using has to be checked. So overall, we can say that there has to be a check about the system of this variant. Talking about this variant, talking about the refurbished category out there. Now the brand new products have a structure. The same structure is for refurbished. The brand new have the same function which refurbished does. So they are actually same. The only difference lies out that refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. Now let us talk about the benefits of having a refurbished product or a pre-owned gadget. Number one is the pocketable rate you get to have. Yes, you get to have pocketable rates. The gadgets which have been once pre-owned, they are now in your pocketable rates. Refurbished products are usually in pocketable rates. They are not as expensive as brand new products. Talking about the brand new products, they are quite expensive. Once they are launched for the first time, they are quite expensive. But refurbished products or the same product in the refurbished category are quite pocketable. Now, since they are pocketable, refurbished are quite less cheaper out there, less expensive. Then do you get to save? Yes, you get to have a huge savings out there. You get to save a lot. Now, when we do a savings, because the brand new products are expensive, refurbished are less expensive, so you have a difference in the pricing. So you get to save a good amount. What happens with the brand new products is that once they are launched, they are offered as a 1 year warranty. Yes, you get to have a 1 year warranty also. When we talk about the warranty period, does refurbished products offer you warranty? Talking about the warranty period, yes, refurbished products offers you 6 months warranty out here. Yes, they are offering you 6 months warranty, whereas you get to have 6 months warranty along with 7-day exchange policy also. These are the two additional benefits of having a refurbished product. What happens is that once a pre-owned gadget we buy usually don't get, but with refurbished category you get to have a 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy also. So these are the benefits which are included in the refurbished category. So let us go back to the site and check whether it offers you the same things or not. So coming back to the site, that is just at click.com. Yes, the site name is just at click.com. Description has the link. You can directly check in the description box, or you can check out here, that is on Google, that is just at click.com. This website offers you a great range of things. Like you get to have a hassle-free shopping out here because it offers you COD. Yes, all over the UAE, it has COD out there. Along with that, it offers you free home delivery, along with that money back guarantee and support system for 24/7. Now, what does this money back guarantee is all about? That if within 7 days exchange period, if we talk about, then if the gadget is not up to the mark and is not working properly, definitely you get to have a guarantee period out there. Now, talking about the pricing and everything, this search icon, which we have already seen, helps you to search your favorite gadgets in a limited range. So this is all about the site. You can check out the description for the link, or on Google you can check it out. Till then, take care, because this site offers you best market price, and for best pricing, do check out the website. Till then, take care.